All right, now it is lesson number 4 post test. I'm going to discuss about the question that I asked you for the post test. I asked you two questions. It's all about the scientific methods. Question number 1: the following work steps are needed by scientists in developing chemistry. 1. Formulate the problem. 2. Conduct experiment. 3. Analyzing data. 4. Finding problems. 5. Develop a theoretical framework. 6. Make a report. 7. Draw a conclusion. 8. Formulate a hypothesis. The sequence of work steps according to the scientific methods is, when you look at those steps, of course, the first one you have to identify the problem, which is finding the problem is the first one, number 4. After you find the problem, then you're going to state the problem or formulate the problem, which is number 1. And after that, after we know the problem, then we are going to make the hypothesis. But before the hypothesis, we have to do the theoretical framework. We have to study about the theoretical part of the problem. So after number 1, it is number 5, develop a theoretical framework. And after that, then we formulate a hypothesis. It is number 8. So 4, 1, 5, 8. And then after we formulate the hypothesis, and then after that we conduct experiment, number 2. After we conduct experiment, analyze the data, number 3. And after we analyze the data, draw a conclusion, number 7. And the last one, after we draw the conclusion, we are going to make the report or communicate our experiment result, which is number 6. When you look at that sequence, the answer will be the first choice: 4, 1, 5, 8, 2, 3, 7, and 6. This is number 1. For number 2, Tono observed the water in his neighborhood was dirty and smelly. He suspects the water has been polluted, so it is not suitable for consumption. To reinforce this prediction, it's better if Tono, what are going to do? What Tono going to do? Here maybe you are tricky with this prediction. So you think that this prediction is already making a hypothesis. So maybe if you think that this prediction is hypothesis, then your answer will be conducting experiment. But actually, in this statement, there is no hypothesis statement here. It's just the prediction, but Tono didn't state the hypothesis. He didn't state the hypothesis. Just he observed there is a problem here, and he stated the problem, which is polluted. The water is polluted, so it's not suitable for consumption. But after that, what should Tono do? Tono should, of course, after he's identified the problem, he should make the hypothesis. But before making the hypothesis, maybe you can answer directly, formulate the hypothesis, but it is not. So before he formulated a hypothesis, Tono have to first research theoretically about the water and about the waste, the pollution that can be in the water. So he has to research first about the water itself and the pollution itself. So what Tono should do after this one is develop a theoretical framework first. After he developed the theoretical framework, then he can formulate an hypothesis. After that, then conducting an experiment. So the step is, after he know the problem, he have to develop a theoretical framework. So the answer is the last one, develop a theoretical framework. Okay. Thank you.